If you want to enhance your Yahoo Mail security by removing old devices, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is secure and up to date. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Log into your Yahoo Mail account using your username and password. Make sure you are on a secure network to protect your login information. Step 2. Access account security settings. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Manage devices. In the account security section, look for the option that says Manage Devices or Recent Activity. Click on it to view a list of devices that have access to your Yahoo Mail account. Step 4. Identify old devices. Review the list of devices and identify any that you no longer use or recognize. Take note of the device names and the last access dates to help you decide which ones to remove. Step 5. Remove old devices. Select the old devices you want to remove and follow the prompts to disconnect them from your account. Confirm the removal when prompted to ensure they are no longer linked to your Yahoo Mail. By following these steps, you can easily remove old devices from your Yahoo Mail security settings, helping to keep your account secure. Regularly reviewing your account settings is a good practice for maintaining your online security.